Parshwa Bakasana is very popular pose, and there are certain methods of doing it. We developed these methods, there are 4. And practicing by these methods, whether you have like issues with some core strength or weak arms, or you have a background of not developing your arm balance practice, our options that is going to help you a lot in developing it, because we've been doing this and we have developed this to improve your strength, your yoga pose in very shorter time. The major important thing is that these methods are very safe, very effective, and very popular in Axial Yoga School. But we recommend, if you have wrist injury, lower back injury, or any spinal surgery, if you have underwent any major medical surgery, you should first take consent of your doctor, then practice this. Avoid this practice during all the trimester of pregnancy as well. It's like if you have very good core strength and you have very good wrist strength and your body is able to handle your body weight, specifically arms and wrist, then you can directly go for this pose like this. Just sit in this position, then namaskar in the sides. Then slowly what you need to do is place both the palm on the ground. Once you place your palm on the ground, then shift your body weight. The left ear will be going towards the floor, and I will simultaneously raise my legs as well. Then legs straight. Just keep looking at your toe. Hold it, breathe very normally. After 30-40 seconds, you can slowly inhale and come back. As a teacher or as a practitioner of yoga, we should avoid being one-side yoga teacher or one-side yoga practitioners. Always practice another side as well. So I am going to demonstrate you on another side as well, which is this again, same. Inhale, and while exhaling, place the palm on the ground and raise the body up. And again, look at your toe. In any given yoga pose, final position, you should not hold your breath, which is very important for everyone. Then slowly inhale and come back, and you can get back to Malasana and rest. This is the first variation. If your body is not able to handle your body weight, that happens with so many people, then we provide them alternative solutions. That is the bolster. So take very huge bolster, proper size bolster where you can hold your body weight, then place on the ground. Now what you need to do is just sit on the ground from the edges and inhale and repeat the same things from your bolster. Keep entire body weight, your right hip, right toe, left toe on the ground. Place both the palm on the ground. Then slowly shift your body weight. See, very easy. So eventually you would be able to lift your body weight also. If you get tired, take again some second rest, then again raise. Then come back. Inhale and get back, exhale and repeat another side as well. Right hip on the ground, on the bolster, and both the heel on the bolster. Then place both the palm on the ground. Inhale and just lean forward. See. Then again try to raise hips up. Make sure you breathe. Breathing is a key. After a certain time, come back. Inhale and get back, and again take some rest in Malasana. Here you can sit like this also. See? I am showing you one more time from the sides as well. It's very easy. Like this. Can you see? Very easy. Okay. So this is the one of the variation. The another variation is some people like they have issues with, like they might bang their head on the ground. In that case, keep one smaller bolster next to the bigger one and repeat the same thing here also. See, keep left heel on the bolster, then slowly shift. See, this is how you can improve your posture very easily. Inhale, get back, repeat another side as well. We have trained more than 5,000 teachers very safely, and they are really very happy. Come back. Yeah, this is the bolster variation. There is third variation as well, and that is with aerial. So we can teach you that as well. Just hold a moment. The another method, that is with aerial. You can lower the length of your aerial. Then you need to get into horse riding position for Parsva Bakasana. We call it Parshwa Bakasana. Just get into the horse riding position. Sit down in this. Now, slowly turn to one of the side and place both the palm on the ground. And make sure you inhale, and while exhaling do this. Once you place both the palm on the ground, then shift. See. It's very easy, very safe. You can float as well. Legs are also relaxed. Very safe, very easily. You can improve your arm strength as well as get all the benefits of twisting. Now turn to one of another side. Sit like this. Again, inhale, and while exhaling, place both the palm on the ground and shift your body weight. See. There are plenty of benefits of this pose. Parshwa Bakasana is going to help you to improve your digestive strength. There are people who is suffering from diabetes. They can manage their diabetes very well, because this is going to affect your pancreas as well as adrenal gland also. And usually we had earlier so many people, they had issues with fluctuation in their blood pressure and heart rate. With practice of this pose, they really got amazing outcome. Even their doctors got surprised. Nervous system is very important. This twisting is going to improve your nervous system functions, and you can prevent issues such as epilepsy, Parkinson's, migraine and Alzheimer's. You can also get rid of those issues also if you are practicing with a very expert yoga teacher. Reproductive health is very important. If someone who has issues with erectile dysfunction or PCOS, or someone who is trying to conceive a baby, they should practice this pose. Continuous practice of this pose will provide wonderful outcomes. We have observed it, and you can also try it. Vat Prakriti, Kaph Prakriti and Pitta Prakriti, in all three Prakriti related issues you can manage with this pose, and this is going to affect your Anahat Chakra, your Swadhisthana Chakra and Manipur Chakra. Muladhara Chakra is also going to stimulate it if you are holding it more than 15 seconds or 20 seconds. We have plenty of this kind of tricks and methods and techniques that we have developed personally at Excel Yoga School, which is very unique. It's very difficult to find out so many products of Excel Yoga School on Google as well or YouTube as well. And with all this help, our teachers, they are very successful in US, Canada, Middle East, Australia, and they are very popular in teaching yoga in practice of their own. More than 2,000 doctors also certified from Excel Yoga School. Many of people in India also, they have opened their yoga studios, and they are also from Excel Yoga School. So we have plenty of this kind of customized variations and innovative formulas to develop your yoga practice. The reason is we really went through very deep in our yogic scripts. We really try to evaluate what kind of practice our ancestors, our ancient Hindu yogis, they used to do in their era, and how they developed and they came out of their issues and they become very Siddha yogis. If you have any questions related to this video or this kind of practice, you can also subscribe us, and you can always contact us for more. See you soon and keep practicing. Bye bye.